Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a drill through. A lot of times you need the ability to drill through to see more details of a particular selection in your visual in Power BI. So how do you do that? Let's take a look. So I have already created a simple visual with months on x-axis and total sales on y-axis. Apart from that, I have made two slicers. One is for total years, which is 2021, 2022 and 2023, and then I have taken another slicer which shows me all the brands that I have in my data. After that, you are going to create a page 2 and name it as transactions. Here you are going to make a table which is basically a more detailed version of your data. So for setting up a drill through, you have to make sure that the column should be common in both the visuals. So here I am working with months, so I'll make sure the month column and the month in my transaction table should be common, and that will be the communicator between these two visuals. So I'm going to use the month column as my drill through field. So for that, you are going to come to this visualization section. Here you are going to drag and drop month into add drill through fields here. You need to make sure that you have keep all filters on. After doing that, you will be able to see this small black arrow right there. It means you have successfully applied drill through. So now let's go back to the page 1 where we had the visual, and let's say we want to visualize the data for 2021 for the brand Gamma Goods. So this is what it looks like in terms of visualization. But now let's see the drill through for it, the more detailed transactions. So for that, you are going to go to any bar and right click on it. After that, you are going to come to this option drill through and select transactions. You would come here and then select this from used as category to summarized. Here you go. You would be able to visualize all three transactions that were present in our visual in more detail. So now you can see the date for the transaction ID, the year, the month, the region and total sum of sales. So this was it for my today's video. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video.